Hey you guys, my name is Liz and I am the resident nail tech here at Makartt. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this really cute green butterfly look. We're going to be using our green nail extension gel kit as well as our Mariposa Mayhem decor kit. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching.
To get started, you're going to need a couple things. The first thing that you'll need is light jade from our green polygel collection, which also comes with a top and base coat set, slip solution, polygel brush, and 180 grit nail file. Then on top of that, you'll need our rhinestone glue, an AB rhinestone kit, as well as the Mariposa Mayhem nail decoration set. For this set today, I'm going to be using the Femi Beauty method. I went ahead and put in a tip, and now I'm just going to squeeze out my polygel like toothpaste. With my brush dipped in some slip solution, I went ahead and just gently pat that into the nail, making sure that I'm being as gentle as possible without dragging and pulling the polygel. Once I get the shape that I like, I can then go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds under a UV LED lamp. With my 180 grit nail file, I went ahead and just shaped and filed my nail. This is what I love about polygel, is that it's so easy to file. Now I'm going to go in with the Makartt rhinestone glue. I'm a big fan of this rhinestone glue just because it does need to be cured under a lamp, and which allows me to have a little bit more time to deal with, kind of putting in my rhinestones, making sure that everything fits in place. I am using a wax pen here. It just makes it a little bit easier to pick up all the little rhinestones. When you're happy with where everything sits, you can then go in with your top coat. You do not need to apply top coat on top of the rhinestones. The rhinestone glue from Makartt is extremely strong and it does not need that extra layer. Then you can go ahead and cure your nail in the lamp and you're pretty much done.
And that is a completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.